in our county. Yes, the procurement processes are commenced. Now that it's completed, again we want to see we have delivered to our people the promises we gave. If you saw from yesterday, what we have been doing is that we started from Nyaribari Church, we went to Kitutu Church South, Kitutu Church North, Bonchari, Bogrango. Today we woke up in the morning, we went to Bumachoge, both Church and Morabu, Bobasi, and now we are in Nyaribari Masaba. Basically, why I've decided to do what I'm doing is that before, this kind of roads were being opened, yet they were not being opened. People were pretending to have opened those roads. For now, we're making sure the contractor has done the work that he has been given, as it is described or prescribed in the BQ. Therefore, our business as a county government, I've seen and I want to report, progress is good. The contractors, they have committed themselves that they are going to give service to our people. We're going to get value for the money that we have given to them. Of course, what we are dealing with is the budget which was there through the supplementary, whereas again we have forward budget where we have put more projects. Like this is a new road where we are standing. Mheshimiwa Kirage is opening it. He's in his location again where he comes from. Again, charity starts from home. I hope that he will be able to deliver for our people. Number two, we want to point out that we have had so many noises around in the social media, in the print media, and the main media on the happenings, especially in the Senate. All the questions I'm answering, all the queries I'm answering, they are queries which were committed by the previous regime of Honorable Ongwai. Audits from 2013 to 2021. I was a member of parliament of the Great North. Because now they have taken it, that is now they are trying to think that they can blackmail me through it. I've decided I'll spill the beans as they are. The commitment to the people which I made is to reveal the debt. I decided not to wash the debt linen of the KISII in the past, but I've decided I'll wash it for the period of 2013 to 2022 September. People did not do work, they were paid. People, they have confessed. The Holy Spirit has entered them, and they have confessed that indeed they did not do anything, but they were paid, and they are ready even to refund the money. Some of them, they have said they did not do work, but they have been awarded money. If what we're doing here is, I've seen people with the different characters of like a chameleon. Today they are saying this, tomorrow they are doing this. They have even sponsored chaos in town where we have lost our life. And what I want to say, truth be told, we're not going to leave it. Police, they are part and parcel of the crime in KISII. Because some of those criminals, they are boarding their vehicles. Because they are being given money. And specific officers, they must answer. These criminals, some of them, they have 3 warrants of arrest. There is a saying around that politicians, again, they are trying to recruit these criminals. I want to assure them, you can't beat me in this. For the criminals, we will deal with them firmly. If the police were not going again to take action, we will take action. We will arrest them and bring them to the police stations. You release them, you see. For now, I want to ask the border people, impress peace. I'll stand. I'm there. You voted for me, guys. I'll stand in your way to make sure we have delivered what we promised you. Again, you as media, I want you to be, progressive and projective on the things that you are reporting. The things, if I did some abusive, comments, it's for you to edit, not really to put